Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, I'm gonna share with you one of the easiest ways to start earning a passive monthly income just by sharing a free app. All right. Now the name of the app is called Instant Recall. Now I signed up with this company a couple weeks ago, and I'm gonna show you real quick. I already started referring people, and I'm already building up a monthly passive income. All right, so already started. You can see a little bit of the names I got. You really can't see it, but you can see it's super simple to get started, guys. And the earning potential for just sharing this free app is absolutely crazy. I'm gonna toss to you in a second. I'm gonna share with you how to get set up right from the company, and then I'm actually going to share with you the earning potential. So you definitely want to watch this whole video because you're going to be blown away when you see how much money you can earn monthly from this app. All right, now to be completely honest with you, when you download the app Instant Recall, you can download it absolutely free. You can use it for free, but to actually get paid to receive money right from your referrals, you do have to pay a $3.99 a month fee, and that has nothing to do with the company. That's just to be able to actually pay out people. You do have to pay $3.99 a month. All right, just to let you know. All right, so if you can afford a $4 business opportunity, then this is for you. If you don't got $3.99, then don't mess with it. It's all good. You know what I mean? But $3.99, and you will be able to earn, right, potentially over $5,000 a month. I know you're thinking, man, shut up. You shut up. Watch this video and you will learn. You will see you're going to be hyped up and motivated to get started with this app. Now, when you get to the point where you need a referral, all right, you want to type in your boy's referral. All right, it's capital EARL, the number 2, capital G, and the number 1. So Earl2G1. That'll get you ready and able to start referring people to the app, guys. This is super easy. I stress to you, all you're doing is sharing the app, and you can start off by the people in your phone contact list, right? Then you can move on to your Facebook friends list. So this is like super easy money that you can be earning every month. So I'm about to throw it over to the company. They're going to take you step by step. So right now you can pause this video and download, I'm show you right now, download the Instant Recall app right now. I'll put a link below. You can download the app, and you see my referral code is down there as well. So download the app, you'll see it. It'll look, see that? It'll look like that, the app. Boom, Instant Recall. Download the app right now, hit unpause, and you can start building up your monthly income today, guys. This is super, super easy. So get started right now, and do not forget, finish the whole video and you'll be blown away. All right, peace.
How would you like to have an automatic additional income? Automatic because you don't have to change anything about your day-to-day lifestyle in order to receive an additional income. An income that could easily reach into the high 5 figures. Take a moment to understand the Instant Recall app and how it can easily change your financial picture. Did you know your location data is valuable? That's right, where you go, your phone goes. And when advertisers see where all the phones are, they can better decide how and where to advertise. Did you know right now there are over 50 companies already selling your location to advertisers? That's right. As you and thousands of other people are driving around every day, multiple apps on your phone have been given permission by you to track your location. They do it anonymously, of course. They don't give out your personal information, but they are selling the location of you and the thousands of people all around you for hundreds of thousands of dollars to advertisers. Google is a prime example. So here's the question. How much are they paying you for your location data? And here's a better question. How would you like to get paid for it? Hold that thought for a moment. In the last 3 years, food and fuel prices have risen worldwide. We all need more money to get by. And with over 5.9 billion smartphone users around the world producing valuable anonymous location data, economists are right. Oil is no longer the most valuable resource. Data is. With the Instant Recall app, you can now get paid for your data and for referring others to Instant Recall. Of course, we comply with all international privacy laws, so you are not tracked personally. Your location data is anonymous. We collect $3.99 a month from your phone to publish your data to commercial data platforms. We package your location data and send it to the platforms every 15 seconds or 5,760 times a day. And we compile the data from the phones of everyone you refer. And we pay you monthly. In addition to that, your $3.99 monthly subscription provides 5 meals each month through feedingamerica.org. You are paid $1 per month on each personal referral, all those on your first level. Plus, you're paid $1 per month on the referrals made by those people you refer. This is your second level. If you have made 10 or more personal referrals, you are paid 50 cents per month on the referrals on your third and fourth levels. Simply put, if everyone refers just 10 people, you are making over $5,600 a month in recurring monthly income without changing anything about what you're doing in your day-to-day life. Some people will refer a lot more than 10, so your monthly income can grow exponentially. We send payments to a digital wallet every month so you can withdraw those funds to your account. Download the Instant Recall app. Make sure the referral code you receive is correct before clicking on the green arrow in the bottom right. Next, open the app to the map page. Click on the white box in the upper right. On the next page in the lower right is an automated referral system connected to all of your contacts. Just start clicking on contacts to get your first 10 referrals. The best part is no inventory needed, and there are 5.9 billion customers out there for you to refer. Plus, you can take advantage, on average, of a $1,500 a year tax write-off as a home-based business owner. Feel free to get back with the person that shared this with you and take a moment to ask any questions and how you can get on board with this incredible opportunity. Have a good day, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.